Naghahanap ka ba ng paraan para magkaroon ng dagdag na income habang tuloy pa rin ang trabaho o negosyo mo? What if there was a flexible opportunity that could help supplement your present income and help you build a stronger financial future? Kung interesado ka, stay with me for the next 2 minutes. Hello, we are Benji and Jenny, a husband and wife team based here in Ontario, Canada. We migrated from the Philippines more than 10 years ago, just like many Filipino families, carrying one dream to build a better future for our family. Salamat sa Diyos. Today, our 2 sons have grown into successful professionals and are now building lives of their own. Seeing them succeed is one of our greatest blessings. Professionally, I've spent more than 20 years in engineering, working in conditions ranging from positive 50 degrees Celsius desert heat in the Middle East to negative 45 degrees Celsius in Canada. Jenny was a banker in the Philippines and now proudly serves in Canada educational system. We've truly been blessed with meaningful careers. Pero natutunan namin ang isang napakahalagang aral. One income may not always be enough. Projects and companies change. The economy changes and life changes. Like many families, we also invested in traditional businesses and real estate. While they have many advantages, they also require significant capital, ongoing expenses, and can be affected by changing market conditions. Kaya naghanap kami ng isa pang option, something flexible, something we could build alongside our careers. Today, we are building a simple online business. So what attracted us was its flexibility, additional income potential, having a flexible schedule, working from almost anywhere like where we are now, step-by-step training, mentoring and coaching that is global, a supportive community, a proven system which is already in place, no previous experience or technical background required, and hindi ito tungkol sa pag-quit ng trabaho. It's about creating another option, preparing for the future, one step at a time. So if you'd like to learn more and see whether this opportunity might be a good fit for you and your family, we'd be happy to share what we have learned. Comment Plan B below or send us a direct message. Walang pressure ito, walang obligasyon. Information lang, kaibigan. Who knows? Baka ito na ang opportunity na matagal mo nang pinagdarasal. So thank you for watching. Marami pong salamat. God bless and we look forward to connecting with you. Thank you so much.